If you are over 60 and still doing the same routine strolls around the neighborhood, believing those will help keep your heart strong, your joints mobile, and your mind sharp, it is time to completely rethink everything. Not because walking is bad, but because new research is revealing something far more powerful, something that could completely redefine how we understand aging. In far-flung areas of China, seniors into their 90s, and even 100s stand tall, breathe with ease, and move with an astonishing crispness and control. Researchers at Harvard and Peking University were stunned to find that such elderly individuals are not relying on gyms, supplements, or high-intensity workouts. The secret is from 3 slow, ancient morning exercises, rituals practiced daily for decades. These movements aren't about burning calories. They're about stirring the circulation, calming the nervous system, and reversing biological aging from the inside out. Recent studies also show that they lower blood pressure, improve immune response, and cut inflammation, all benefits that ordinary walking simply can't provide. So before you lace up those shoes again, ask yourself, what if the path you've been walking isn't leading you toward better health at all? Today, you are going to learn those 3 ancient movements, simple exercises you can do right from your living room to age stronger, live longer, and feel better than you have in years. But before we dive in, drop your name and where you are watching from in the comments below. We love connecting with you. The first movement is Guolin walking, a healing breath. Walk originating from China. Imagine if every breath you took could strengthen your heart, calm your nervous system, and slow aging. All at once, that is the power behind this method, originally created by Guolin, a Chinese artist who used it to overcome cancer. It looks gentle, but science proves it is incredibly effective. In a 2019 Beijing street Udi, adults over 60 practiced Guolin walking for just 30 minutes a day. After 12 weeks, their cardiovascular endurance improved by 27%, and their blood pressure dropped, all without medication. It boils down to synchronizing each slow step with deep, purposeful breaths that train your heart and lungs to work in harmony, increasing oxygen flow to the brain and calming the stress response. Many who practice it daily report fewer dizzy spells, better sleep, clearer thinking, and a remarkable sense of emotional stability. Unlike regular walking, this is walking with intention, a moving reset for your entire system. All you need is a quiet space, relaxed posture, and the will to slow down. Step left, breathe in, step right, breathe out. 1 breath per step. As simple as it feels, it becomes a soothing, moving meditation that restores energy and clarity of mind. The next movement is Tai Chi, a soft flow usually described as meditation in motion. It's one of the best studied forms of exercise for older adults. Harvard reports it can reduce the risk of falling by up to 40%. And a 2021 Stanford Street Udi showed adults over 60 boosted lower body strength by more than 30% after just 10 weeks of practice. Tai Chi integrates slow physical movements together with deep concentration that enhances balance, coordination, and confidence. It trains the body to sense the movement and position, something very important as we get older. While the body strengthens, the mind settles, cortisol drops, anxiety fades, and sleep improves. Tai Chi doesn't strain your joints or exhaust your muscles. Instead, it restores balance and control through calm, deliberate motion. First, stand with feet shoulder width apart, relax your shoulders, and breathe deep. Start with the simple commencement form, lifting your hands as you inhale and lowering them as you exhale, shifting your weight smoothly from right to left. Move as if your body is gliding through water. Slow and without effort. 15 minutes a few times a week is enough to start feeling the benefits. The last exercise is called Baduanjin, or the 8 brocades, a treasured Chinese longevity routine that has been passed down for nearly 1,000 years. This series of 8 graceful movements is designed to open the chest, improve circulation, and restore internal balance, and science is catching up to its reputation. A study published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity in 2022 demonstrated that adults over 60 improved their flexibility by 38% after only 8 weeks of daily Baduanjan practice. This gentle method helps ease stiffness, improves posture, and boosts energy circulation throughout the body. To many older adults, it becomes the way to stay limber, relaxed, and energized without strain or discomfort together. These 3 ancient movements are a potent system that empowers the heart, stills the mind, enhances balance, heightens immunity, and supports aging with elegance and poise. The best part, you don't need a gym, equipment, or special training. You just need your breath, your presence, and a few minutes each day. The participants experienced more than gains in flexibility. Many had reduced inflammation, deeper sleep, and noticeably better joint mobility. Unlike other workouts that rely on intensity, Baduanjan focuses on harmony. Each movement stretches large muscle groups while gently compressing and releasing the internal organs, almost like giving your heart, lungs, liver, and digestive system a quiet internal massage. It also works powerfully on the nervous system. The combination of breath with slow and intentional movements in Baduanjan stimulates the vagus nerve, the pathway in charge of the lowering of heart rate, reducing blood pressure, and easing anxiety. Harvard researchers have confirmed that this practice improves balance and stability while lowering cortisol more effectively than basic stretching. What really places Baduanjan in a category all its own, though, is the feeling gentle yet exacting motions are available even to adults in their 70s and 80s, safely without strain or fatigue. As time goes on, many people describe a sense of stillness in motion, a deep meditative calm that stays long after the session is over. This isn't just exercise, it's self-healing, a gentle reminder to your body that it is safe, supported, and capable. For older adults who want to move better, sleep deeper, and carry less tension, Baduanjan may be the missing key to lasting vitality. Stand comfortably, feet shoulder-width apart, with knees relaxed. Take a slow breath in and bring your attention to your body. Start with the simple sky-lifting movement. Raise your arms as if supporting the sky above you. Palms upwards, exhaling. Slowly lower your hands down with the palms facing down. This helps open the chest and support lung function. Then move into a soft spinal twist, placing your hands at your waist and slowly rotating your torso left and right. Keep the motion fluid, never sharp or forced. Continue through all 8 forms: lifting, stretching, twisting, bending, and shifting of weight with control. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let each breath guide your movement. Practicing just 15 to 20 minutes each morning can bring noticeable improvements. And remember, if something feels uncomfortable, adjust it. The goal is flow, not force. Let this become your daily moving meditation for older adults. These ancient practices are potent tools, but not for all. If you are above 60 and generally healthy, they will build your stability, flexibility, and mental clarity without the strain of fierce exercises. However, in cases of severe cardiovascular problems, uncontrolled high blood pressure, advanced osteoporosis, and recent surgeries, one should always consult a healthcare provider. If at any time you feel dizzy, chest discomfort, or joint instability, stop the movements and consult. Healing is a product of mindful consistency, not from forcing beyond one's pain. Most of these exercises can be modified to seated versions or done partially with support. If mobility is limited, whatever your situation, let your body lead. The true power of these practices comes not from intensity, but from intention. Now consider this. What if getting older wasn't about slowing down, but about movement? Modern science and ancient tradition agree. Movement doesn't need to be fast or forceful to be transformative. For older adults, strength isn't measured in pace or distance. It is measured in balance, breath control, and clarity. Guolan walking heals you through rhythm. Tai Chi strengthens you through fluid grace. Baduanjan restores you through slow, mindful stillness together. These practices offer something most exercises overlook: the harmony between body and mind, and to seniors who want to thrive, not just cope, that harmony becomes the foundation of lifelong health. Sure, you could keep taking regular walks, but ask yourself, has walking ever deepened your breathing, quieted your mind, made your body feel more connected and alive? These ancient movements don't just keep you active. They remind your body how to heal and grow stronger, gently and consistently. And the most inspiring part, it is never too late to get started. Your body still knows how to move with purpose and meaning. Whether you are 61 or 87 years old, it just needs a gentle invitation. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for your coffee or begin your day, pause, breathe, move slowly. Give your body the attention it has been silently asking for. If this message resonated with you, comment the number 9 below. It tells me you are ready to keep growing. And if you are ready to go even deeper, be sure to subscribe here. We believe every movement matters, and every day is a chance to age stronger. With intention, you are not too old. You are just getting started.